According to China EV Post, Tesla's China-made vehicle sales rebounded in November after an October dip. Tesla sold 78,856 vehicles last month, including exports, a 15.5% increase from October's 68,280 but 4.3% lower than November last year. Local media estimate over 73,000 units were sold within China, up 12% year-over-year and 82% from October. Tesla's Shanghai factory produces the Model 3 and Model Y for both domestic sales and exports. In comparison, BYD sold 506,804 new energy vehicles in November, marking its sixth consecutive record month. Li Auto delivered 48,740 vehicles, while Xpeng hit a record 30,895 units. NIO delivered 20,575 vehicles, and Zeekr reached 27,011 deliveries, also a record. Tesla has also extended its 5-year, zero-interest financing offer for the Model Y in China through December 31. You are listening to Yuan News.